At Raymond, we believe in giving back to society, and in this journey, we also empower our consumers to contribute towards a worthy cause that creates a positive difference for our nation. The need for dignity is innate to every individual, but is often undermined for lesser privileged sections. This annual social initiative in association with Gunj, known as Look Good, Do Good, is our attempt to contribute to the lesser privileged of our society.
We have been doing this initiative for the past 5 years. This year, we have enhanced and widened the scope of the initiative, and we'll be collecting old garments of the entire family, men, women, and kids. This initiative also enables us to onboard our customers to contribute towards the cause.
Look Good, Do Good is a unique initiative that rewards consumers for donating any of their old clothes. Consumers can benefit by availing free tailoring services for Raymond fabrics or gift vouchers, which they could redeem for Raymond ready-to-wear.
This is a great initiative by Raymond. They have been doing it for past few years now, and every year we look forward to this opportunity.
The pandemic has wreaked havoc, impacting the lives and livelihoods of people. At Raymond, we are committed to revive and elevate the social dignity of tailoring as a profession.
गारमेंट एक्सचेंज का चलता ऑफर चालू किया कंपनी ने, उससे हमको बहुत बेनिफिट हुआ है। जैसे ही कस्टमर चलते कपड़े डोनेट करने आता है तो हम टेलर लोगों को भी काम मिलता है और कस्टमर को भी खुशी मिलती है।
सबको काम मिलता है, उनको रोजी रोटी मिलती है, बहुत ही अंदर से सब दुकानदार को संतोष हो रहा है।
Due to the ongoing pandemic, consumers can donate clothes in any Raymond store across the country or choose to avail pickup services through Raymond Home Assist on www.myraymond.com.
Cloth for Work, which is now called Dignity for Work, is a very simple process of dignifying the giving. As an institution, we do not support or promote charity because we feel sustained charity kills dignity of people, and without dignity, you cannot talk about development.
Raymond is proud to be associated with the program Dignity for Work, which is conceptualized on barter between urban surplus and village communities.
गूंज कम्युनिटी के साथ काम करता है, वहाँ जाता है और श्रमदान उनसे कम्युनिटी से करवाता है, लाइक वेल क्लीनिंग की करवाया, उनसे रोड रिपेयर करवाया। उस एज ए रिवॉर्ड वी आर गिविंग द किड्स।
I would like to thank Gunj, who have been our partners for years, to take this initiative across the length and breadth that directly benefits the lesser privileged people of our nation. I would urge all of you to participate in this initiative that serves a dual purpose. That is of social cause and wardrobe modification, which we have been looking forward since the pandemic.
अगर हम दूसरे के चेहरे पर खुशी ला सकें तो हम समझेंगे कि हमारी मेहनत सफल हुई।
We seek your support to create a positive impact in the lives of millions of people. If you wish to donate, do visit www.myraymond.com or the nearest Raymond store.